How to create videos playlist on MX Player app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to MX Player. As you can see, this is the home page. Now go to the top corner and click on those three lines right here, and now go down until you find video playlists. Click on it and click on create new playlist here, and now I'll add the name of the playlist, for example play 1. Click create. Now you can add videos to your playlist from here, and this is the playlist. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.